Hi friends, this is a staircase wiring trainer which is made by National Infotech. All the things are explained over here. Here, when we plug in this mains core wire on a supply line, then 213 volt single phase AC supply come over here. Now we have to connect this phase to a second terminal of a switch like this. Here I am going to connect red connector to a second terminal of switch. Now I am going to connect these neutral terminals to a second terminal of a bulb. Here this black connector to a green which to bulb. Then now I am going to connect this bulb terminal, another terminal of bulb, to a second terminal of a switch which is available at first floor. So like this. Now the remaining these two links between these two switches we are going to connect. One to one and third terminal of switch 1 to third terminal of switch 2. Now here we have shown a seeing one bulb, but in this we have two parallel bulb connections here over here. Then I am going to connect two bulb like this. Then if you suppose you are at the first floor and you want to turn on the light, just turn on, turn off, and just turn on. So here light is turn on and comes down and just turn off.